nagrać.
Most dangerous animal on this planet.
Where's the catnip?
Wait a minute. Wait, this tastes like some medicine.
Your demise.
Спасибо, моя кисть. Без.
1, 2, 3.
Show me the banana.
I know you're about to bite me.
你是邪恶银渐层吗？
Hoş geldin.
Shut up.
Oh! Are you okay?
That is rude. Stop. You.
Meow. It's a second again. Oh.
¿Por qué me tiembla cuando te acercas, güey? Porque te quiere meter un pinche putazo.
Not overeating, I know that. Look at.
What's wrong? Blue. What's like? There's normal dogs, and then there's Bella.
3, 2, 1. Jeez.
Pretty girl. Yeah.
When you see a cute dog with a big booty,
how to speak my dog's language.
You wanna go outside? You want some big booty bitches? Just like your old man.
De la cintura y posteriormente va a hacer una revisión en donde va a subir en los brazos.
We get a lot of looks when we take her for walks, and people ask a lot of questions because.
Oh! Oh shit! Oh my God! Holy shit!
You know you're my baby and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.
Today's episode of How Gay's My Dog. Here's a sausage, Bailey. Would you like it? No. No.
No.
Oh, great. Here we go again. Oh, no, 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 no.
What? Downstairs? Hey!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marshall. Happy birthday to you.
You did it!
Duke, do you want the ball?
Say hello. Ready? Where'd you go?
Right down the road.
He looks so cute.
Shades, catch.
Who did this?
You want it to go out, now go. Yeah, I
She is literally showing her dog the weather report to show him that it's not raining tomorrow.
Titan. Did you eat the cookie crisp?
Smooth talking, so rocking. He's got everything that a girl's wanting. Guitar.
Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho. Come on. Oh my God.
Is he gonna go for a walk?
Get
It's like a fucking massacre. I'm so sick of you. Nike, look at me. What the fuck is your problem?
Tiki! Tiki! Hey, 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 stupid! Hey! Turn around, you stupid bastard! Tiki! Turn around! Turn around! Tiggy, turn the fuck around! Jesus fucking Christ! Oh my god, you're so fucking dumb! Oh my god, you're so lucky I love you!
You want some cookies? Okay. Yeah?
Can you guys sit? 1, 2, 3, make your silly face go. Oh! Gigi, how do you feel about what's happening with the world right now? Okay, love it.
No, don't touch.
Where do you go? Right down the road? Right down the road? Oh, right there at the bear. Yeah, oh, no, the bear truck. Past that.
Can I get a few words? If you could change one thing about yourself, you're not gonna change. Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marshall. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. 'Cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
If you eat this piece of pizza, you don't make it into heaven.
Right. We get smell. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Hey, look.
He took the cheese!
He looks so cute.
Aren't you supposed to do something?
Hi! Hi!
Bob, you've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Nanny's.
Hi.
Smile, Bill. Smile.
Go get the ball. You were a retriever. You're.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, no.
Yeah, my dog's friendly.
Hi. I thought you said your dog was friendly.
It is. That's not my dog.
Repository, and I'll explain that as the...
If you don't do your bucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
Riot, do you want to get neutered?
Look at those pretty eyes.
Hello, you sweet angel thing. Oh, you're so sweet.
Oh my god.
Oh, I really wanted this to go, and I changed my mind. I can't find it.
That's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho. Come on. Oh my god.
You want a hamburger?
Did you get that?